In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Just going to spray a little rust penetrant just to make it a little easier. Using a 18mm wrench on the nut, 8mm socket on the stud so that it doesn't spin. And we'll loosen this up. That's loose. Take that off. Slide this out. Use a 18mm wrench on the back of the bolt, 18mm socket on the nut. Take that off. That'll slide off. Slide the new one in place, down below and up top, just to make it easier. Get the nut started. I'll snug that down. And we're going to torque this to 55 foot-pounds. Take that off. Put the bottom nut on. Using a 18mm gear wrench and the 8mm socket. Get this started. We're going to torque this to 79 foot-pounds. To prevent the stud from spinning, I'm just using a 18mm wrench. Get it over the stud, and then you can torque that down. All right, good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.